AWAL for Musician's Honest Review, watch before using. If you're an independent artist looking for a distribution platform that truly understands the needs of musicians, AWAL might have caught your attention. So, is it the right choice? AWAL is designed specifically for serious, independent artists who want to retain ownership of their music while benefiting from a global distribution network. One of the standout features is that it's invite-only or requires an application, meaning AWAL only works with artists they believe in. This exclusivity can be seen as both a positive and a drawback, depending on your situation. Once accepted, AWAL provides access to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music, alongside detailed analytics, which is crucial for tracking your audience and performance. For many artists, AWAL's hands-on artist support and resources, including marketing and playlist pitching, are its biggest selling points. If your music gains traction, you could even be upgraded to AWAL Recordings, where they provide further support like funding and a dedicated team. However, it's important to note that AWAL takes a percentage of your revenue, about 15%, which might be higher than some of the more basic distribution platforms. That said, there are no upfront fees, which is ideal for those who want to avoid financial risks early on. In terms of who AWAL is for, it's not for hobbyists or casual creators. If you're a musician with a growing fan base and want professional-level support without signing away your rights, AWAL could be the perfect fit. But if you're just starting out or prefer a low-barrier entry, a more accessible platform might be better. To sum it up, AWAL is great for independent artists who want to keep their creative control, have a shot at personalized support, and benefit from high-level distribution. But remember, it's competitive. And if you're not in their target range yet, you may find yourself looking elsewhere.